Qonqur AI Review. 7 Crucial Things You Need to Know. Best Just Released AI Software. Let's dive into the new software that's been causing a lot of buzz, Qonqur AI. If you've been hearing about this AI tool but aren't sure if it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Qonqur AI before you decide if it's a fit for your business. First off, Qonqur AI is a game changer for anyone involved in digital marketing, content creation, or simply looking to automate tasks that traditionally take a lot of time. If you're like me and you've tried hundreds of AI tools, you'll quickly realize why Qonqur is standing out from the crowd. But before we get into all the details, you can actually try Qonqur AI completely free from the first link in the description below, so you can test it out for yourself. Now, what makes Qonqur AI unique? The first thing you should know is its ability to automate and optimize multiple facets of your marketing strategy with ease. From content creation to ad campaign management, it leverages artificial intelligence to make your workflow smoother and faster, saving you hours of manual work. It's designed to let you create campaigns and content that actually convert, without needing an army of experts. Second, Qonqur AI's user interface is incredibly intuitive. If you're worried about a steep learning curve, you can put those concerns to rest. You won't be staring at a confusing dashboard, wondering what's what. Qonqur is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, allowing even beginners to get up and running quickly. Third, one of the standout features of Qonqur AI is its ability to analyze real-time data. This feature is crucial for any marketer trying to keep up with trends and audience behavior. Qonqur doesn't just automate tasks, it uses AI to deliver insights that allow you to tweak your strategy on the fly for maximum impact. It's essentially a digital marketing assistant that works 24/7 without ever needing a break. Fourth, let's talk about personalization. Qonqur AI allows you to hyper-target your audience with tailored content. By analyzing user data and behavior, it helps create highly personalized experiences that increase engagement and conversions. If you're familiar with AI-driven personalization, you know how valuable this is, and Qonqur takes it to the next level. Fifth, Qonqur AI integrates seamlessly with other platforms. So whether you're working with Facebook ads, Google Analytics, or other tools, it plays well with all of them. This is a huge time saver because it centralizes all your data and workflow into one place, streamlining your entire process. Sixth, it's not just about automating tasks. It's about improving the quality of your campaigns. Qonqur AI uses machine learning to continuously optimize your content and campaigns based on the data it collects. That means it gets smarter and more efficient the longer you use it, making it an invaluable asset as your business grows. Seventh and finally, Qonqur AI is constantly evolving. The team behind it is always adding new features and updates, so you're not getting a static tool that might fall behind. You're getting an AI that's built to stay ahead of the curve and keep your business on the cutting edge. So after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Qonqur AI is one of the best new software releases I've seen in a long time. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that improves your marketing, saves time, and boosts performance, Qonqur should definitely be on your radar. If you want to give Qonqur AI a try yourself, head to the first link in the description below and sign up for a free trial. And as always, I've left a list of my recommended AI software in the description too, based on years of testing these tools. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.